Hello and welcome to 5-Minute Math. Today we are looking at the 5th grade concept of generating additive and multiplicative patterns. This is standard 5.4C in the great state of Texas, and we are using item number 18, which is a new item type called hot text off the Redesign Practice online STAAR test. If you haven't done so already, please go ahead and take a moment to pause the video, work this problem out on your own, unpause it, and we will look at our answers together. So we've got the values in this table, and they go ahead and give it to us. Y equals x plus 6. So we need to complete this table. Now, there are 3 possible answers. So let me just take this 30. Watch with hot text. I can actually use the same number all 3 times. It says each answer may be used more than once. Now, watch what happens if I only try to submit it with 2. It's going to say there's a problem. So you can use each number more than once. Not all answers will be used, and you have to submit all 3. This is a 3-point problem. Sorry, this is a 3 answer problem, but there's only 2 points, which means if you get all 3 answers correct, you get 2 points. If you get 2 answers correct, you get 1 point. If you only get 1 answer correct or 0 answers correct, you don't get any points. So you have to get at least 2 points to get half credit here. So here's the equation. And this is basically something that we are learning in 5th grade, but you are going to be using all throughout the rest of your educational career. We're going to use a little bit of substitution here, since they've already given us y equals x plus 6. So that's our additive, right? Because we're adding relationship here. So that's our rule, right? Plus 6. There's no point in trying to figure out what that rule is. So what we want to do here is we want to plug in some missing numbers, right? So I'll use a different color here. So in this one, I'm missing y. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave my y as my y, but I do have my x. Look, my x is 10. So I'm going to replace my x with 10. I'm going to substitute it there because they're telling me that one of the possible values of x is 10 equals 6. Well, I can do that. 10 plus 6, right? So y equals 10 plus 6, and you're thinking that's easy. That's 16. You're right. That is easy. That's all they want us to do here. So let's go ahead and grab this 16 while we're thinking about it and move it right there. So that's substitution, where you're taking an unknown and you're replacing with what you do know, and you're looking to see how that simplifies the equation or the expression. All right, so let's get into green here. Now, here's the tricky part. This is going to be kind of opposite, kind of flipped. That's why I'm going to rewrite this. You notice that they actually give me a y. So instead of saying y equals x plus 6, I'm going to replace the y with my 19. So 19 equals x is my unknown plus 6. So something plus 6 makes 19. Now most of us can kind of eyeball that. If we want to make a related number sentence, right, we could say fact family 19 minus 6 is going to equal x. Some of you might have done that. But either way, that's going to get you 13. 13 plus 6 gets you 19. So you can use some related fact families if you want to. Let's get our 13 over here. All right, we've got one more to do. And let's do black. So we've got 24. All right, so my y is my unknown. So I'm going to put my y right here. Now, x is what they give me. X is 24, so I'm going to replace my x with my 24, and then it's still plus 6. So you see how I'm just plugging in either the x or the y into all of these. 24 plus 6, that's pretty easy. That's 30. All right, so we take our 30 here, put it down there. Remember, this is a 2-point problem, so if I get 2 of these correct to get 1 point, I need to get all 3 correct to get both points. But those are my answers, 16, 13, and 30.